The best timing to engage us, we can get involved usually in the middle of the construction project. We'd like to get involved. We can do some construction planning. If it's going to be ground up, we can make that building really cost segregation friendly before it is built. Just through the plans, we can make some changes, modifications, give some advice. Based on how that building is being constructed, there could be some other ways that we could provide that it would be more cost segregation friendly. The way things are mounted, the way things are, built. There's little tips and tricks that we do with our construction, pre-construction planning. So if someone wants to bring us in, we'll be engaged through that whole timeline. And then once the building is constructed, we get the final change orders. Okay. And then we can finish the cost segregation study. So on new constructions, it's obviously a lot different than if you just acquire the property, because there's a lot going on during the construction process. So we can finish our cost seg study once the building is completed. It's now open for business, and that's really when the depreciation schedules will start. And that's that. On a new acquisition, doesn't matter how old the building is. It can be 100 years old. And once you take ownership, the clock starts over and the IRS looks at that as a brand new building. We want to get involved right away, right out of the gate. Send us the purchase agreement. If there was an appraisal done, if there was a site plan done, we schedule a time to go out on site. My engineer will go through the entire building, very thorough, come back to the office, and we put together the actual meat and potatoes of the engineering study. And then, that's so. And we're picking up on that old building. There could be, and there also could be renovations going on at the same time. So that could be what we consider the as-built. So we do the whole building as it is, and then we actually take account for any things being removed and then any new stuff being put in, making sure that everything is maximized in terms of writing things off as fast as possible. So that building now takes off and it starts to depreciate very quickly.
Okay, so at that point, you're going to give us a report, and
yes.
Then when we give our CPA at the end of the year, our tax attorney, when we sit down with our tax attorney with the trailing 12 and just to show how well the property did that year, that's when we give our CPA your report and they integrate it into our returns.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you don't need this. You don't send the cost segregation study itself to the IRS. That sits on the shelf. That is your audit trail, because we give 100% audit defense if the IRS ever did question, what's this $400,000 in accelerated depreciation doing on your tax returns. We would then get with the IRS and defend that. That it's a rare instance, but it does happen. Okay. And whoever does the study better be able to justify what they've taken and because the IRS will disallow the entire study if it's not done correctly. So when they do come sniffing, that's when everything better be dialed in.